teachers and parents, welcome to the session. Today I have taken up a clay activity and this is eco-friendly and non-toxic clay. So you can see that this is a clay dough or it's a play dough. So kids love this very much. You might have seen while cooking in the kitchen, while you prepare a chapati dough, like they come to you and they'll ask you. They feel very much interested in doing, mixing, isn't it? Nodding and all. So they love this. So here what happens, the creativity develops and the imagination skill also will improve. So it has a lot of improvement, lot of benefits. Here the fine motor skills as well as gross motor skills also improves. They pound it, gross motor skill develops, fine motor skills, they mix it, they knead it. So the finger hand movements, it gives a strength, it strengthens the muscles. Okay, and imagination also develops. They can create their own imagination. They can make a scenery, they can make their characters, like maybe Chota Bheem they can prepare in this, or they can make their lovable god Ganapati, isn't it? They all love Ganapati. They can make out of this, and lot of creatures they can do it in this. So animals also they can do. Okay, so this is very interesting type of a play toy for the kids. Let us start with this, and here it's an education tool. Okay, here through this what we can teach? We can teach the colors. Which color is this? Yellow. And this one? Red. Very good. And this one, see? Which color is this? Green color. I have even still two colors. This one? Orange. Yeah, my favorite. See, mom is also wearing orange color. My favorite. And this is blue. And this is? Purple. Purple. This is purple. So nice. So many colors we have. So we can teach colors using this clay. And it's non-toxic even if they put it in the mouth also. It's vegetable colors they are added. So nothing will happen. Wearing orange, let me take my favorite color is orange as well as yellow. Today I'll take up yellow color. Okay. So I'm just taking out yellow color and I'll show you how to use this. So this is so soft. So the sensory development happens. They can feel it, they can touch it, and they feel this is very soft, isn't it? And they can mix it. So here fine motor skill develops. So hand coordination also improves, and the thumb as well as other fingers also will be acting over here, so that also improvement takes place. See what I'm doing? So I'm rolling. So put the clay in between your palm and roll like this. Then I'll take a pinch. Then what I'll do? Again I'll rub the palm. I'm rolling. What I got? I got a line. What is this? Line. So I'll make this line sleep. This is a sleeping line. What it is? Sleeping line. So next again I'll make a ball and I'll roll like this. And again I made a line and I'll make this line to stand. Which line is this? Standing line. The line is standing now. And next, again I'm rolling. And what I will do, I will make a curves. Right and left. And this is a what curve it is? Left curve. And you can say closed curve also. And this is an open curve and a right curve. And then next, one more small pinch I'll take and I'll make a dot. What is this? Dot. I'll put it over here. Yes. Now, what I'm doing, I'll make a down. The curve is facing down, down curve. Now, next one. Now, up. The curve is facing up, up curve. So these are the basic strokes which has to be taught at home. So using these strokes, they can write very easily. So you can tell wherever it's required, put a dot. You can tell wherever you want, put a sleeping line. Then standing line. Then for writing C and D and all, you use this curves, right curves, left curves. So these type of at home also using clay, you can really teach your kids, make the education there also very, very interesting. Okay, like this. So always teaching with pen, pencil, they may feel very boring, right? Whatever you have at home. So while chopping the vegetables also you can cut and show them. Through that also you can show the strokes. So there it will be a revision. So you can use a lot of materials to teach your kids, make the education or learning very, very interesting. Okay. So now we ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ next? See, look here. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ಏನಿದು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಪಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ಇದು? ಸ್ನೇಕ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ಯಾರನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಹಾ, ನೈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. See, I taught a snake here. So that is an animal. Animals you can teach. And now I am teaching counting. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 ball. And what we will do now? Caterpillar. Right? Huh? See here? I will do caterpillar. See? Place one behind the other. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಹಾಂ, ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ. ಒಂದೇ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಯಾರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವೇನಾ? ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಾಟ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಐಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಏನಿದು? ಐಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ಗೆ 2 ಹಾರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ. ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾರ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಯಾರು ಕ್ಯಾಟಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಬೇಕಾ ಪ್ರೈಸು? ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ. ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕು? ಎಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಕಾಲು ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಕಾಲು. ಹಾಂ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅ ಲೆಗ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಕಾಲಿರುತ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ನೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಇದನ್ನು ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಿರಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕೋಡ್ಬಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವ ಅಮ್ಮ? ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ. ಹಾಂ, ಡನ್. ಎಸ್. ಹಾಂ, ಸೊ ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್.